What is this?
It's a notebook.
N is for notebook.
Notebook is for taking notes.
N. What is this?
It's an orange.
O is for orange. Oranges is for energy. O.
What is this?
It's a pizza.
P is for pizza. Pizza is for eating. P.
What is this?
It's a quill.
Q is for quill. Quill is for writing. Q.
What is this?
It's a rocket.
R is for rocket. Rocket is for exploration and innovation. R.
What is this?
It's a shoe.
S is for shoe. Shoe is for protection and comfort.
S. What is this?
It's a tree.
T is for tree. Tree is for providing life.
T. What is this?
It's an umbrella.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella is for protection from weather. U.
What is this?
It's a van.
V is for van. Van for transportation. V.
What is this?
It's a watch.
W is for watch. Watch is to tell the time. W.
What is this?
It's a xylophone.
X is for xylophone. Xylophone is for music. X.
What is this?
It's a yogurt.
Y is for yogurt. Yogurt is rich in vitamins. Y.
What is this?
It's a zesta.
Z is for zest. Zest is used as a flavoring in cooking and baking. Z.
N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. N is for notebook. O is for an orange. P is for pizza. Q is for quill. R is for rocket. S is for shoe. T is for tree. U is for an umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zest.
Thank you, teacher.
Due to the effort we provide, please subscribe to the channel and like it. Thank you.